Appreciate it.
Not too sure what I'm doing now. I'm probably gonna go take some shots over at the casinos over here, or Steel Stacks actually, probably, maybe. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So I ended up coming home. There was nothing really to do. Nobody really wanted to come out. It's too cold, so they say. But Thursday I might have something planned to meet up with a couple friends and shoot their cars. Hopefully that works out. I ended up just coming home. I gotta work tomorrow, so I gotta be up bright and early. So I'm ending this off here. Like, subscribe if you like what I'm doing. It's a startup, so just bear with it. It gets better eventually, or maybe not. Who knows? So, peace.